So let me ask you why. I mean, we've been around this industry forever and a day, and a lot of these contractors have been around forever and a day. And every year, it's like a surprise that this happened, right? To these guys.
Yeah.
Why is it? Why do you think that happens with contractors? That all of a sudden my phone stopped ringing. You know, like you didn't know this was going to happen. This hasn't happened in your last 19 of your last 20 years.
Right.
Yeah.
Why do you see that this continues to happen? Why is this a fate that contractors continue to suffer?
Yeah, I'm interested in hearing Wally's opinion on this too, but my opinion is that contractors are so busy inside of their business doing the work and making sure that execution happens and that customers are taken care of and guys show up for work and so forth. And we're working hard, to make sure that that day-to-day happens. We don't ever actually plan the prioritization for time to sit down and think about, what's going to happen 3 months from now. And because that doesn't exist as a behavior, it's not trained. Most of the contractors aren't trained to do that. And so what happens is we arrive, in September, and it's pretty much too late. And I think that's really the issue, and it's one of the things EGIA needs to work on. We obviously teach the planning side of it, and we try to talk about that. Yeah. So I laugh about it because I've been in the business now almost 35 years, and there's only 1 year out of the 35 I can remember that we didn't have, a shoulder season. So 34 out of 35 is a pretty good set of stats saying that maybe we should think about it.
There's a trend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you think?